The journey of life is like a long road with many turns, some smooth and some very rough. We all want a life filled with sunshine, but the truth is, clouds will come, rain will fall. The secret to a happy and successful life is not avoiding the rain, but learning how to dance in it. Today, I want to talk to you about something that can change your world forever: the power of staying positive in every single situation. This is not just a dream, it is a choice. It is a muscle you can build. It is a way of seeing the world that turns every problem into a lesson and every pain into power. Think about your mind as a garden. In a garden, you have two choices. You can grow beautiful flowers, or you can let the weeds take over. Your thoughts are the seeds. If you plant seeds of worry, fear, and anger, your life will feel like a dark forest. But if you plant seeds of hope, gratitude, and kindness, your life will bloom like a spring morning. Being positive does not mean you ignore the bad things. It means you choose to focus on the good things. It means you look at a wall and see a way to climb it, rather than just seeing a dead end. Why is it so hard to stay positive? Because our brains are wired to look for danger. Long ago, humans had to look for tigers in the bushes to survive. Today, we don't have tigers, but we have bills, stress, and difficult people. Our brains treat these small problems like big monsters, but you have the power to tell your brain that you are safe. You have the power to say, "This is hard, but I am stronger than this." Every time you face a challenge, you are standing at a crossroad. One path leads to complaining and feeling like a victim. The other path leads to growth and finding a solution. When something goes wrong, the first thing most people do is ask, "Why is this happening to me?" This is a weak question. It makes you feel small. Instead, try asking, "What is this trying to teach me?" Change your why into a what. If you lose your job, maybe it is a chance to find a career you actually love. If a relationship ends, maybe it is a chance to find yourself again. Every ending is just a new beginning in disguise. You must believe that the universe is not working against you, it is working for you, even when it feels painful. Let's talk about the words you use. The words you speak out loud and the words you say in your head create your reality. If you keep saying, "I am tired, I am broke, or I am unlucky," your brain will believe you. It will look for reasons to keep you tired and unlucky. Stop speaking death into your dreams. Start speaking life. Instead of saying, "I have to go to work," say, "I get to go to work." Instead of "this is a problem," say, "this is an opportunity." Small changes in your language change the chemistry of your brain. You start feeling more energy and more hope. Gratitude is the fastest way to turn a negative situation into a positive one. It is impossible to be angry and grateful at the same time. Try it right now. Think of 3 things you are thankful for. It could be the air in your lungs, the shoes on your feet, or the coffee you drank this morning. When you focus on what you have, you realize how rich you truly are. Most people wait for something big to happen before they feel happy. They say, "I will be happy when I get that car," or "I will be happy when I get married." But the truth is, you must be happy first. Happiness is the fuel that gets you to the car and the marriage. Confidence is another key. Most people fail because they are afraid of failing. But what is failure really? Failure is just data. It is just feedback telling you that one way didn't work, so you should try another way. The most successful people in the world failed more times than you have even tried. The difference is they didn't let failure define them. They used it as a stepping stone. If you're going through a hard time right now, tell yourself, "I am not failing, I am learning. I am not falling, I am growing." You must also be careful about who you spend your time with. Negativity is like a cold, it spreads easily. If you hang out with 5 people who complain all day, you will become the 6th. But if you hang out with people who are hungry for growth, who talk about ideas and dreams, you will naturally become more positive. Protect your energy. You don't have to be a garbage can for other people's problems. Surround yourself with light, and you will find it much easier to shine. One of the biggest thieves of joy is comparison. We look at other people's lives on social media and feel like we are falling behind, but you are seeing their highlight reel, not their behind the scenes. Your journey is unique. You are not in a race with anyone else. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. If you're moving forward, no matter how slowly, you are winning. Focus on your own path and celebrate your small wins. Every step forward is a victory. Control is also very important. We waste so much energy worrying about things we cannot change. We worry about the weather, the economy, or what other people think of us. This is like trying to drive a car by looking out the back window. You will crash. Focus only on what you can control: your effort, your attitude, and your actions. Let go of the rest. When you let go of the need to control everything, a huge weight lifts off your shoulders. You feel free. You feel light. Remember that your current situation is not your final destination. Just because today is stormy doesn't mean the sun isn't there. The sun is always there, even behind the thickest clouds. You just have to wait for the clouds to pass, or better yet, fly above them. Your mind is the airplane. You can choose to fly low in the fog, or you can use your thoughts to rise above the mess. The higher you go, the clearer the view. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's easy to be positive when things are going well. The real test is being positive when everything is falling apart. That takes discipline. It takes a daily practice of meditation, reading good books, and talking to yourself like you would talk to a best friend. Be kind to yourself. You are doing the best you can. If you have a bad day, don't give up. Just wake up the next morning and try again. Each day is a blank page. You are the author of your story. Believe in yourself, even when nobody else does. The world might tell you you aren't good enough or that your dreams are too big. Don't listen. The world doesn't know what is inside you. You have a fire in your soul that can light up the dark. You have strengths you haven't even used yet. Every struggle you have faced in the past has prepared you for the strength you need today. You are a survivor. You are a warrior. Stay focused on the present moment. Most of our stress comes from worrying about the future or regretting the past, but the only place where life actually happens is right here, right now. Take a deep breath. Feel your heart beating. In this very second, you are okay. If you can be okay in this second, you can be okay in the next one too. Take life one breath at a time, one step at a time. The mountain may be high, but you only have to take the next step. When you feel overwhelmed, look for a way to help someone else. Sometimes the best way to solve your own problems is to help someone else solve theirs. Kindness shifts your focus away from your own pain. It reminds you that you have value and that you can make a difference. A simple smile, a kind word, or a small gesture can change someone's day, and it will change yours too. Love and kindness are the highest forms of positive energy. Finally, never lose hope. Hope is the anchor of the soul. No matter how dark the night gets, the morning always comes. This is a law of nature. Your morning is coming. Keep your head up, keep your heart open, keep moving forward. You are capable of amazing things. You are worthy of a happy life. You have the power to stay positive, to stay strong, and to turn every situation into a victory. Believe it, act on it, and watch how your life transforms. You've got this. The world is waiting for your light. Keep shining.